Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Emily Asks. I'm here today with Rebecca Oliver from ChainThat. She's here to speak about ChainThat's new product, Beyond Policy Administration. So, hi Becky, and welcome.
Hi, nice to be here.
So, tell us a bit about yourself, Becky.
So, my name is Rebecca Oliver. I'm the Managing Director of Technology at ChainThat. I've been with ChainThat for the last 2.5 years, but I've been in the industry now for almost 30 years.
Amazing. Well, first things first, what is BPA?
So it's very exciting. BPA is what I would call a next generation policy administration platform. And the reason I say that is we have all worked collectively in the ChainThat team and technology platforms for a number of years within the insurance industry. And what we wanted to do is bring a platform that provides this full servicing like any traditional policy administration system would do of the full life cycle of a policy. But what we wanted to do is make it much more easily configurable, simple to use, easy to integrate, and also something that you invest in, and it does support a digital future.
Perfect. So what business challenges is BPA looking to resolve?
So ultimately, it's about reducing the frictional costs that are within the insurance industry. What we want to do is, typically we're focusing on the MGA sector specifically. And as we've looked at that, we've looked at some of the common challenges. It's about taking products to market quickly. It's about showing real-time reporting and integration into their capacity providers, and also sourcing successful distribution channels. So again, when they have their products, they can take it to market quickly. And so BPA looks to address these together, and by bringing those three key components, that sort of ultimately delivers growth and longevity. And BPA looks to address those key components individually within its platform.
Perfect. We've described BPA as a next generation platform. What makes BPA different to other platforms and services that we all know is already out there?
Yeah, absolutely. And we have worked, many of us have worked on a number of those platforms over the years, and they've serviced and they've had a purpose within the industry. What we're looking at what we're looking to achieve now is to create a policy administration system that is really in the hands of the customer. So the customer is in complete control of their platform, so that they can configure it easy with a drag and drop, easy customizable. We want them to have a usage-based model as well. So again, they really have a lot more understanding around cost certainty. We understand the challenges in the past of, when you want to make a slight change in rating or a slight change in product, it can take many, many weeks to get those changes done. And similarly, when you're sort of onboarding a brand new platform, it can take many, many weeks and even months to implement. And we want to take that away. We really want a proper SaaS model where you can just, draw down the platform and start running with it straight away. We want it to obviously, be digitally enabled as well. So again, addressing all of those key challenges around integrations as well. So we want to just make it as simple for the customer to use, and that's at our forefront of everything that we've done in the design of this platform.
Great. It does all sound a little bit technical though. Do I need to be quite tech savvy to be able to understand or use this platform?
Well, again, to the point of being very customer focused, one of the things and areas that we wanted to look at is making sure that it is easy for the user to use. We wanted to create a very good user experience. So again, anyone that's coming aboard, there would probably be an element of a little bit of training to start with, but ultimately we want the customer to be able to use this and to really, move forward, get on with their business, get their products out to market, and get to use the platform as quickly and as efficiently as possible. So if I can use it, hopefully anyone can use it.
Well, that's good to know. So you've already spoken about the business challenges that BPA are looking to resolve. Can BPA help with business strategy?
Absolutely. And again, it's sort of looking at the forefront of the business. Again, what we want to do is we see technology as an enabler, but in the development of this product, we've always focused on the business objectives first and foremost, and hence why we've looked at the key components to success in the business, whether it's product, distribution, or capacity. And so we see BPA as the enabler to enable you to take products, to look at, to then build that within your business strategy and implement those objectives that you have and the sort of critical things that will enable your business to succeed. So again, taking products to market quickly and effectively, being able to have really solid, transparent relationships with your carrier, and also again providing automation and straight through processing for your broker to enable, again, ultimately focusing on the end customer and the customer user experience.
Amazing. Well, we've seen over the past 12 months, even 18 months, how advanced the technology has come, especially in insurance. Will this technology not be out of date in a couple of years or so?
Absolutely not. One of the things, again, as we've built this technology platform, is looking at it being future-proof. And it's very, very important that as we build for the future, we are enabling a digital future. So any investment that's made now into the platform, we will be building and evolving that platform, which will benefit the client and the end customer completely. So definitely the way in which we developed it, and I'm sure our CTO will be able to explain the technology and the architecture in perhaps another episode, Emily, when you do that. But certainly it's always been at the forefront. We want it to be simple to use. We want technology architecture that is future-proof, that can be used for our digital future. The landscape is changing. We need that digital transformation, and we want to make it as easy a journey for our insurance industry as possible. We're all passionate about digital change, but we also know that it's not always easy to get to do that. And so everything that we've done and everything that we've considered in the design and development of BPA has always been with the customer in mind, and we're very hopeful that in implementing this as we are over the next few months with our first customers, they will obviously see the benefits of that.
Very exciting. So you've explained how BPA can help individual businesses. How can BPA help the entire insurance ecosystem?
Well, it's very much about the digital ecosystem, and again, at the very heart of it is BPA, where we're looking to provide easy integration, better relationships, that straight through processing. So again, as I said earlier, it's looking at the sort of from a broker submitting a risk to the MGA, being able to do that automatically through our intuitive platform, being able to quote and bind it very quickly, and again that's sort of giving the end customer and client sort of a very rapid return when they want to place business. Again, different channels and distribution channels, so again that sort of provides better opportunities for the broker community. Looking at from a capacity provider perspective, being able to see real-time monitoring of the performance on exposures and the like of that. So again, it builds better relationships between the MGA and the carrier. But ultimately, it's about being much more efficient, having data at the source, being able to use that intuitively, making decisions quickly, taking products, innovative, and it's very important for the MGAs nowadays to differentiate themselves. And so again, to be able to take that product to market is great for the MGA, great for the capacity provider, great for the broker, and great for the end client. So we are always focusing on all the ecosystem in the development of this, not necessarily just the MGA community.
Amazing. Well, it's been an absolute pleasure to speak to you today, and I really appreciate your time. Do you have any final words or comments you'd like to add?
Only that if you want to find out more, then contact us at our website and we'd be happy to talk a little more. So thank you for your time. Thank you for having me today.
Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your day.
And you too.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.